Did you hear? The World Cup is starting soon!
Of course!
I've been waiting for this for months. Same here. The atmosphere already feels exciting. Definitely. Every football fan is talking about it now. Which team are you supporting this year? I'm supporting Argentina again. What about you? I'm going with Brazil. Their squad looks strong this time. Brazil always has talented players. True, but Argentina also looks dangerous, especially after winning the last major tournament. Their confidence is high now. That's true. Messi inspired the whole team. Honestly, watching Messi in a World Cup feels special. Same with Neymar for Brazil fans. Do you think this could be Messi's last World Cup? Maybe. That's why people are so emotional about it. Football won't feel the same without legends like Messi and Ronaldo. Absolutely. They changed football forever. Who do you think will be the biggest surprise team this year? I think Morocco could surprise everyone again. Good choice. They played amazingly in the last tournament. Their defense was incredible, and their fans created such an amazing atmosphere. World Cup fans are different. The energy is unbelievable, especially inside the stadium. Have you ever watched a live international match in a stadium? Only once, and honestly, it was unforgettable. I'm jealous. The crowd noise alone gives you goosebumps. I can imagine. Watching at home already feels intense sometimes. Exactly. Imagine thousands of fans singing together. That sounds incredible. One day I want to attend a World Cup match live. Same here. That's definitely on my bucket list. Which stadium would you love to visit? Probably Wembley Stadium or Camp Nou. Nice choices. I'd love to visit Santiago Bernabeu someday. Football stadiums have such a special feeling, especially during big matches. The pressure, the excitement, the fans screaming, it's crazy. That's why football is called the beautiful game. Exactly. Who do you think will win the Golden Boot this time? Maybe Mbappe? He's incredibly fast